Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. So let's write here on the screen fairbinaryoptions.com. I would like to make a bit of an unusual analysis here, and I will explain that in a bit. So it will be a little bit of an unusual analysis in the sense that while so far we were trading with short-term expiration date, I'm talking about end of day or end of week, stuff like that, I would like to move towards an end of month analysis, because we are talking about the 4-hour chart, but we are also zoomed out so we can see as many candles as possible, and that should be the main reason. What I'm trying to show you from this moment of time, from here to the upside, and all this pattern from here, you may consider it from from this moment of time and from this right side here, this one here is nothing but a flat, it is being called, and it should be labeled with A and B and C. Why a flat, and why should be labeled like this to come in the following minutes? So this should be labeled wave A, this one to the downside should be labeled the B wave, that ends with a contracting triangle that acts as a reversal pattern here, and of course all the way to the upside, the C wave. Now there are some clues here for the bearishness that I'm talking about, and we are trying to mitigate the risk of the analysis being on a bigger time frame through a bigger expiration date. I mean, if somebody gives you 70% or 80% rate of return on your investment, well, we should wait for end of month, will be 2 weeks from now. Now, first of all, if you take a look at the move to the downside, this one and this one and this one, all of them are corrective waves. However, in a flat, the C wave should have a 5-way structure. Well, we do have a 5-way structure here that comes in the form of a wedge, and this 5-way structure actually goes as being the, of course, rising wedge, and this rising wedge goes like this from here to here. Terminal impulsive move in the form of a rising wedge. The rising wedge is already broken for quite some time now, already broken, retested, with market dying to break the highs there, but from this moment of time the path of least resistance should be the previous lows of wave A. That means 0.8897, so 0.89. Now, that being the case, it means that this is a 3-way structure. I agree, A, B, C. This is a move to the downside that is simply channeling too well. Take a look at it. It is channeling too well. It means that all these are only corrective waves. Corrections of a lower degree are almost the same. Nothing to add there. So A and B, and then the C wave. Now, the problem with this flat is that it comes with C failure, and it means that the C wave here, all this C wave to the upside, fails to break the highs in the previous wave A. So fails to break the highs. This B wave, sorry, is not here, but this B wave, it goes here with a triangle that acts as a reversal pattern like this, from here to here. Let me make it blue. And from here to here like this. So market tries to the downside, tries, fails, and then breaks higher. But if you take a Fibonacci and you look at the retracement level from wave A to here like this, then definitely the B wave is retraced more than 80%. So the retracement is between 80% and 100%. That already rings a bell that we might look for a common flat. But in a common flat, the C wave needs to go all the way to the upside to break the highs in wave A, which it doesn't, it didn't. So the C wave failing to break those highs in 0.97 and forming this terminal impulsive move, which are always completely retraced, open the gates for our recommendation today. Medium to long-term recommendation if you want. I'm talking about 2 weeks expiration date now, or end of month expiration date. Any broker that respects itself will offer you that expiration date. So let's write here that we are buying put options with end of month expiration date on the Australian dollar pair. On the prerogatives or on the analysis that this is nothing but a flat with a C failure that should go and reverse now into the previous lows in wave A. Thank you for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. Make sure you check our website. Make sure you check our Binary Options Academy projects that we have there. And have a great day. Bye-bye.